do know one thing. Evolution is an illusion.
Yeah.
Math, not only scientific, it's just mathematically impossible. Mathematically, it's absolutely impossible for evolution to happen. The laws of, even the laws of chance that they talk about work against it.
The end, okay, this is going to be sound like kind of mathematical gobbledygook, because I was exposed to math. I don't know that I ever became a mathematician, even after a couple of years, several years of trying. But the earth is so many dimensionally complex, and the interrelationships of the life forms on it, there's so many interrelationships that, and we're all so much interdependent relationships that I don't think they know what level of complexity is involved. And what's that thing? Irreducible, like a mousetrap. You can't take anything away and it still work at all.
Right.
I think the point where you can't go any further backwards because you're going to remove something that everything else needs.
Right.
I think they get to that point much sooner than they realize.
Yeah.
I don't think they have the math to begin to realize how complex the interrelationships of life on Earth is.
It's just too, and not only the complexity of it all, just the laws of chance.
Yeah.
Just the laws of chance
Right.
itself
Right.
does away with